Hello everyone. This is Scotch-Brite telescopic floor squeezer by 3M. Let's open it. This is floor wiper and this is handle. Handle is telescopic and we can expand it like this, and then we can fix it like this. This is rubber wiper. It mentioned that it is a TPE rubber blade type of rubber. This is 40 centimeter. Build-in quality is very good, rubber as well as plastic, and handle is also very light. Total weight of the product is 800 grams. After inserting the handle in the base, the total length would come with is around 80 centimeters. After expanding it, let's check it. It coming to around 130 centimeters. So this is good if you would like to make it shorter, and rotate it on right side to fix the position, and it is ready with the shorter length. And for to expand, just loose it anti-clockwise, push outside, and then close it clockwise for to tighten. The length is very good. So we have seen the minimum and maximum length of this wiper. We can adjust the length as per our requirement between the minimum and maximum length. Just rotate it anti-clockwise, take the length whatever we required by pushing the length to the down, and then for fixing the length, then just move it clockwise and tighten it. So the length has been fixed there. Product seems to be very durable. There is also hole in the handle to hang it anywhere, and the product is very light.